Ay, ako pala si Pedro. Ang nakugulok niya. Ito pala ang gawa namin guys. Ito isang consumer unit guys na 3-piece mainline. So ang ginawa ko nito guys, ito. So bali third floor to guys. Ang line 1 ground floor, ang line 2 second floor, ang line 3 third floor. So ayan guys, kaya tatlong consumer unit ang ginamit ko dyan guys, kasi ito guys, ang operated nito guys, walang switch to guys, operated Lotron guys, by internet or Alexa. Ayan guys, kaya yan ang ginagawa guys, arrange na yan guys. Ayan guys, ito ang finished product guys.